Hey everyone, this is our first call bugle call car horn. This is our button version horn. It comes with a button which is included. Now we got the horn facing down, but it's pretty loud and we don't want to hurt our ears here. Quick and easy installation. Your black wire comes from your horn will go to a ground somewhere. It could be your battery or just anywhere you got a good ground source. And then your red wire comes from your horn will go to a 12 volt power source. It could be your battery, a fuse, just anywhere you got a good 12 volt power source. Then you just run your yellow wire comes from your horn to one side of the button, which is included. And then you simply just run another 12 volt wire to the outside of the button and you're good to go. So this is our first call, bugle call, car horn.